I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and you are watching the series of some inspirational or motivational videos which are being made to motivate you and keep you on the track just a couple of days before your GATE 2021 exam. I told you in all my previous videos that everyone has made some kind of preparation. Everybody is putting effort. हार्ड वर्क हम लोग कर रहे हैं, स्मार्ट वर्क भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक ऐसा फैक्टर है जो हमारा स्कोर को रिड्यूस करता है, और वो फैक्टर है हमारा फियर, हमारा नर्वसनेस एंड आवर एंजाइटी जस्ट बिफोर एग्जाम. माय ऑल दीज वीडियोस आर बेसिकली डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दैट कि आपकी एंजाइटी और फियर को रिड्यूस करूं और कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स हम लोग डिस्कस करें जो हमारे स्कोर को, हमारी प्रिपरेशन को मैक्सिमाइज कर दे. तो मैं हर वीडियोस में, इन एवरी वीडियो आई हैव टोल्ड यू that you keep one thing in mind, that GATE exam is one of the safest exam and simple exam also. We have made it difficult. We have thought of this as a difficult exam. Actually, it is not. Why? Because I agree that if you want to get into public sector, then you need to score very high. You need to score 75 plus marks to get into public sector, and for that obviously your preparation should be very, very good, and that preparation will come. लेकिन even if you want to score 75 80, and all the students with whom I interacted, जो PSUs में गए हैं जिनका स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है, they told me one thing, that they were preparing for last couple of years. It is not that very first attempt they got it. Many of students get very first attempt also, but they keep on preparing for the last couple of years. So you need to keep in your mind that to get the very high score, you need to put effort for some years. That is one thing. Second is, all the students told me that, sir, when we went to the exam, nervousness or fear was less. Maybe after repeated exams or a lot of test series, or their level of preparation was so good कि उनको fear या anxiety या डर नहीं था, तो उनका score maximize हुआ. Now let's talk about those students जिनका preparation उतना ज्यादा नहीं है, या let's say 40 50 60 marks तक का preparation है. Let me tell you, on the basis of my all these experience of previous years, I know so many students जिनका preparation 50-60 marks का होता है, मतलब they can get 50-60 marks, 40-50 marks, but because of fear or because of anxiety or because of nervousness, they land up failing this exam. They do not even qualify it and make some mistakes. उसी में एक mistake ही होती है कि just before exam they start seeing those topics in which they are not very confident. My point to you is, just before couple of days, I mean 1 or 2 weeks before exam, you should not even see the topics in which you are not comfortable. You should not see. No new topic should be done, because that will make you fear more, because you will start reading the topic and mind mein aayega ki, oh, I do not know this, and then you will keep on fearing. In fact, you should concentrate more on those topics in which you are strong. So if you are strong in particular topic, that will give you confidence also. And I told you that if your preparation is only of 60 marks, try to attempt 60 70%, 70% paper only, not entire paper. So suppose you know these 5 chapters, I am not prepared, I am not very good in these 5 chapters, you don't even attempt that, so that your attemptation is less, accuracy is more, speed will be comfortable, because you will not attempt entire paper 65 questions. Let's say you will attempt only 50 questions, so 50 questions ke liye 3 hours is sufficient, and your accuracy will be maintained and you will end up scoring good. So in this exam, if you score as per your preparation, if your preparation is of 40 marks and if you score 40, if your preparation is of 50 marks, you score 50, that is only possible if you go to examination hall without any kind of fear and having realistic appraisal. You should have your realistic appraisal. You should know that, yes, my preparation is up to this level. So that realistic appraisal is very important. Suppose you go to the examination hall with the preparation 70% preparation, but you think of attempting entire paper, तो आपका negative marking बहुत हो जाएगा और उसमें तुम्हारा score गिर जाएगा. So if you ask me, sir, what is the main reason of not qualifying this exam or getting less score? Answer is, main reason of not qualifying or getting negative score or getting less score is negative marking. और negative marking क्यों होती है? Because we try to attempt those questions in which we are not confident, or we try to increase our speed, or we try to attempt as many questions as possible. Do not attempt all questions if you are not confident. Attempt the questions so that your accuracy is very high, your speed is less but accuracy is high, so that if your preparation is of 40 marks, you land up getting 40 marks. And I tell you 2-3 things. First thing I always tell you is, GATE is a very safe exam. Even if you score 35 marks, you land up in IITs. If you land up in IITs, you do good, you get very good career, very good jobs, you do masters, then abroad is always open for us for doctorate with very good scholarship. So there is nothing to worry at all. So if you think from that aspect, without fear, you go to examination hall and you will give your best. And if you will give your best, you will score also very good. So try to get what you deserve. Try to get what your preparation level is. Do not fall in the trap of attempting all the paper and scoring negative and coming down to your or failing in this exam. You need to pass this exam, and your preparation is, I'm very sure your preparation is sufficient to pass this exam if you do not fear and if you follow these strategies. So what is the conclusion of my today's video? No new topic I'm to do. I'm to concentrate only on those topics in which I am very strong, and I'm to prepare that again and again. I'm to practice lot of questions nowadays, lot of test series, lot of practice I'm to do. I'm to write. That is what I'm to do. No fear on my mind. I know that even if I score less but qualify, I have an opportunity. I can get career and I can get very good opportunities later on. So these are the things in my mind. And yes, one more thing will give you relief, that GATE is not the only exam. There are so many other exams which actually you can write along with the GATE. GATE is not the only exam. So that factor also is there in your mind, which should relieve you from the anxiety or pressure of this particular exam. I'm sure you will do good now. I will keep on coming with more videos, more important videos just before the exam. Just keep watching, keep listening. Thank you.